How to install and use different versions of Ruby? I'm learning Rails from different books that use different versions of both Ruby and Rails. Right now I have Ruby 1.87 installed on my macOS X Snow Leopard, in /user/bin, but need to also use Ruby 1.9 for a different Rails application. Can anyone tell me how to make this work? I'm new to this, so as many instructions as possible would be greatly appreciated.
There are two major Ruby version managers out there from which you can choose: Verbend and Ruby Build, RVM. These allow you to keep multiple versions of Ruby on the same system. Once you've installed a version manager, and installed your own Ruby version, you won't mess with your system's Ruby and its gems, which is the greatest benefit. No more sudo. No more permissions errors and gem conflicts. Which one should I choose? Both do the same thing, but they follow different philosophies. The choice is up to you. I personally recommend Verbend for its simplicity. I've been using it for years and it has always worked well. How do I install them? If you choose Verbend, follow all the installation and setup instructions: install Ruby Build, run, Verbend install x.x.x, where x.x.x is the version, use Verbend install list to see which ones are available, run Verbend global x.x.x to change your global Ruby version. If you choose RVM, use the secure installation method, read the installation instructions. You probably want a single user configuration. Use RVM list known to list available Rubies and then run RVM install x.x.x to install a specific version. Use RVM use x.x.x default to change your default Ruby.
I think Venv deserves at least its own answer. There is a constant battle between fans of Venv and those of RVM, but I personally like Venv a lot more. As the Sam Stevenson, the author, states, Venv is solely concerned with switching Ruby versions, as opposed to RVM, which does a lot more. On OS X, it's especially easy to give it a try. Just follow the excellent installation instructions on the GitHub page. If you have Homebrew installed, it's basically just a brew install Venv Ruby build. As for switching Rails versions, I once wrote an article about that which might be of interest for you. Assuming you have installed the Venv Ruby version, run. Then, to confirm the switched version, run. It should be something like
This is what worked for me. I don't have sudo. See this for more general answers, this URL. Related, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.